Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2019 on a 19 plate Audi Q2 Sport 35 TFSI 150 PS 6-speed in brilliant black. Now, as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. So to start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour of this stunning Q2. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright halogen headlights with the halogen daytime running lights as well, which illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. We also have as well these stunning 5-spoke 17-inch alloy wheels, which really stand out and make this car look extra premium, especially against that stunning black paintwork. Now standing back, we do also have the privacy glass on this vehicle, which means that any rear occupants are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are also hidden from view. And on this particular vehicle, we do also have the ice silver C-pillar blade there, which really stands out against this black paintwork. Now looking inside the rear, we do have 3 spacious seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points and they do fold 60-40, which is great for getting those larger items inside there. And as you can see, there's plenty of space in the back as well for taller people, despite this being a compact SUV. Now this vehicle does come with the twin exhaust tips, which makes the vehicle look really sporty. We do also have the rear parking sensors on this car, so it's great at judging distances behind you. Now at the push of a button, the electric tailgate opens quickly, quietly and efficiently. And then looking inside, we've got plenty of space for items in there, such as golf clubs or those suitcases for that weekend away. And once those rear seats are folded, you can lift the boot floor up to create a completely flat load bay, which is perfect for loading larger items such as bikes, or if you fancy doing any DIY work, any tools or any home accessories. Now looking inside, we've got plenty of high quality materials on display inside this stunning SUV. So we do have this stunning silver trim, which really stands out against the black paintwork and makes the vehicle look really premium. And we do also have as well the stunning cloth interior, which looks really stunning. And the seats are also really comfortable, really supportive, and they're great at holding you around those twisty bends. And they do also have lots of adjustment in them, so you can always find that perfect seating position. And that completes our initial 360 degree tour around this stunning 2019 Audi Q2 Sport. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this Q2 and have a look at some of the technology that's on offer. So we do have full electric adjustment of those mirrors there. And we do also have the heating element, which is great on those frosty winter mornings. It means you can see very quickly. And we'd also have this stunning 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which means all the important controls are right at your fingertips. So on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the controls for that central screen in between those 2 analog dials in front of you. And on the right-hand side, we've got our volume control, our seek track, our voice control, as well as other functions on there. And we do also have cruise control with a speed limiter on this vehicle, which is great for those long-distance drives and also means you won't get any speeding tickets despite the punchy 35 TFSI engine. Now we do have this central screen here, so you can see things such as your radio, your phone, your navigation data, as well as some of the vehicle settings. And this is great for meaning your eyes don't have to stray too far from the road to see some important data. And then on the left, we've got our central infotainment screen there, which is controlled via a wheel down near the gear selector. And we do also have there Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great for connecting those modern devices and means you can use features such as Siri to keep your eyes firmly on the road. We've also got our map screen there, which is a very clear display. You can zoom in and out and you can always find the perfect angle for you. We'd also have as well our navigation there, which is linked to that. And you can save at important destinations, and it's also very easy as you can search keywords on that as well. We'd also have our telephone there for those important business calls on the way home. We've got our media via Bluetooth or USB. We also have our radio there. We've got a long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then finally, we do also have our Audi Drive Select. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you're fancying more of a dynamic drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic mode, or individual allows you to personalise the steering and throttle input. Now we do also have the air conditioning in this vehicle, which is great for those warm summer days, and that means you can turn it right down and mean that everybody in the vehicle is nice and cool. And we do also have as well the heated rear screen, which is great for those frosty mornings. Now sat below that, we've got a 12-volt socket there, perfect for any accessories that you may wish to plug in. And we'd also have a USB socket there, which is great for charging those mobile devices. Now under that we do have 2 spacious cup holders there with a space for the key in the centre, and we'd also have there our volume control there and our seek track button as well there. Then we do have the silky smooth 6-speed manual gearbox in this vehicle, which pairs nicely to the 35 TFSI engine and provides lots of punch. And then behind that we do also have our controls for that central infotainment screen. So we have the central dial there, which allows you to scroll through different menus. We've got our menu button, which takes you back to the home screen. And then we've also got lots of shortcut buttons there as well for things such as your radio or your telephone, which means you don't have to take your eyes off the road once you learn where they are. We'd also have as well the super efficient auto hold in this vehicle, which is great for those traffic queues on the way to work. Now under this sliding central armrest here, you can fix it at several different height positions, and we do have a USB socket as well as an auxiliary port. Once again, great at charging those devices, and the storage space under there is great for hiding things such as your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view. So that completes our look today at this 2019 Audi Q2 Sport 35 TFSI. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you very soon.